Alrighty guys, well I have these ESCs I'm going to replace. They're 40 amp slim BL Heli 32s. After watching some black box logs, I realized that it looks like this number 3 motor is going full throttle while the rest of them aren't on punch outs. And after a little research, that is indicative of a bad ESC, which correlates to the dip I was getting on the front light arm on the number 2 motor. So it makes sense because this one's going full throttle when the other ones are only at 90%. So hopefully this ESC change will fix that. I'm going to go ahead and throw these on there. Man, I just have a drone that's just a fucking problem. I've switched everything. I've switched the motors over. I've switched the ESCs over now, and it's still giving me issues. The number 2 motor now is not, when I arm, it's not properly spooling up, so I think I'm gonna have to replace it, and hopefully that'll fix it. It's like the whole drone is about replaced now, and I don't understand why. It's just one of those builds that no matter what you do, it just continues to give you trouble. Well, I changed a couple of settings and lowered the idle down. I'm gonna go test it here in a minute. I tried it earlier and it was just flipping out. So hopefully we can get it fixed before my trip.